Elisabet Museum has been named one of the 20 finalists competing for up to $200,000 in restoration grant funding by the National Trust for Historic Preservation. The nationwide campaign that kicked off at the end of September showcases sites that tell the story of women in history and celebrates the centennial of the 19th Amendment, which granted women the right to vote.
We are here in Hyde Park in Austin, Texas, and we are on the grounds of the Elisabet Museum. She was a sculptor. She immigrated from Germany in the 1870s. When she was in Germany, she sculpted the kings and the monarchs and the presidents. And then when she came here, you'll find at the state capitol sculptures of people like Sam Houston and William Barrett Travis. And she came here to Austin and eventually built this studio and home in 1892 and lived here until her death. One of the biggest needs is the restoration of the doors and the windows. Once that's done, the environmental conditions, the security of the museum will be up to museum standards.
Today, the Elisabet Museum at Formosa provides both an anchor and a laboratory for progressive identity and art. Funding will help restore the homestead's 18 exterior doors. Worn and fragile, plain but grand, they graciously welcome outsiders, women, artists, and immigrants, just as they did a century ago. Log on and cast your vote every day through October 29th to help Austin's beloved local landmark win at voteyourmainstreet.org/Austin.